open Microsoft Edge and then type Parrot iOS or download like that, and then click on the first link down here. As you can see, Parrot Security. Click on that and then wait. We are going to be taken to this page, and then we are going to scroll down. We're going to scroll down and then we are going to click on live. Okay, live. Okay, there are many options, but let's click on live and then let's click on security. Okay, so from there let's click on AMD like that, and from there we are going to scroll down and then click on download. Okay, download. Okay, so let's wait. As you can see, the download has started. Okay, as you can see, ISO. Okay, it's a ISO file. Okay, make sure you are downloading the ISO file, but I'm not going to download because I've already downloaded that file. Okay, so I'm going to go where I downloaded the file, and it's there. As you can see, it's here and on the desktop. Okay, for you, you can find it in your downloads folder. Okay, you can find it in your downloads folder. Okay, so as you can see, so when I go in the download, you can go in the downloads and then you can search for Parrot. Okay, so you can search for Parrot like that, and you will see your ISO. It will appear there. Okay, so from there, I'm going to open VirtualBox and make sure you have installed the VirtualBox. I have a video for that. Find the link in the description to that video. Okay, just click on the title below this video. Okay, the title of this video. Okay, so from there, we are going to double click and then we are going to click on new to create a new virtual machine. Okay, and we are going to name it Parrot, and then from there we are going to choose the installation folder, but you can leave it there. Okay, you can leave that one. Okay, you can leave the default one, and then we are going to select our ISO file. Okay, image. So we are going to click on that one, and then we are going to go under the desk where we have our ISO file. As you can see, Parrot Security, it's right there. So we are going to click open. From there, we are going to go down here. We are going to leave those ones. We are going to leave everything as they are because they are the minimum requirements that we need. Okay, we are going to click next like that. Okay, and then we are going to start. Okay, make sure your virtual machine is selected, in this case Parrot, and then you click on the start button. Okay, so from there we are going to wait for the virtual machine to power up. Okay, so let's wait. It's powering up. Let's wait. Let's wait. Make sure you have a VirtualBox installed on your machine. The video is in the link to that video is in the description. Okay, of the video. Just click on the title of the video. Okay. So don't forget to smash the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to this channel. Okay, make sure you smash the subscribe button and you like the video and then you share. Okay, don't forget even to comment. Okay, so from there, as you can see, our virtual machine has started, as you can see there. So we can use the arrow keys to move through. So we can click on view and we can go into full screen mode. As you can see, we have switched it to full screen mode. Okay, and you can use the arrow buttons, and then from there we cannot use the mouse, or we can decide to use it, but I'm not going to use. So you use the arrow button, and then when you reach on try to install, just click enter. Okay, so from there, after clicking enter on try install, we are going to get this output, and then we are going to wait. Let's wait for our virtual machine to start. It's starting. Let's wait. It's starting. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget, that one helps this channel grow. Okay, so make sure you subscribe, and you motivate me to release more useful videos towards your journey. Okay, on becoming a cybersecurity professional. Okay, so from there we are going to wait. Let's wait. Let's wait. Let's wait. We are going to wait. Let's wait. Okay, so as our virtual machine is starting, I want to remind you that on this channel we release videos about offensive and defensive part in cybersecurity. Okay, so if you want offensive part, you can subscribe to this channel, and if you are interested in the defensive part or both, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Okay, so as you can see, it's about to start. Okay, it's about to start. Our virtual machine is about to start. Okay, So let's wait. It's starting. We can click on this down arrow to minimize. Okay, so that one to minimize, or this one to scale. Okay, to scale. As you can see, we can scale out of our full screen mode, as you can see. Okay, so it's starting. It's about to start. Okay, so we can minimize more like that, as you can see. Okay, as you can see, so it has started. As you can see, we are now inside our Parrot operating system. So you can click on view, and you can click on menu bar. We have many options, but the view can help us set the view that we want to see our virtual machine on. Okay, so like that. So as you can see, our virtual machine has already started. As you can see, we can switch to full screen mode. Okay, yeah, like that. We can go back to full screen mode like that. Okay, like that, and we can start navigating, okay, in our operating system. And when we click on the menu button, try to search for many different applications, okay, or binary files, or yeah, like that. Okay, so from there we can click on many more. Okay, so you can try out. So after installing Parrot OS, after installing your Parrot OS virtual machine, you will then be able to use the Linux operating system, and learn different commands, how to use the Linux terminal, how to use many different applications on the Linux operating system. Okay, so as you can see, when we click on applications, we can view different applications categories. Okay, so but I want to try to show you. So as you can see, we have scaled up. Okay, we have scaled up our virtual machine, and we are able to see it in a bigger perspective. So as you can see, we can search for many different terminals, and here let us search for the root. Let us open the root terminal. As you can see, it's right there. It's the bash terminal, and we can try out different commands, okay, that they are in Linux. Okay, so and from there we have different options that we can use to modify our terminal layout. Okay, so thank you so much.